Automotive and energy storage systems are among the most demanding industries in the world, where every detail matters and innovation drives success. Hello, I'm Martin Oberberger from Germany. I have been working in FlexLink since 13 years. My current position is Head of Market Development Automotive. My team and I are dedicated to helping our customers achieve exceptional results in their automotive and energy storage projects. With our solutions, we have increased the throughput of traditional systems by 30%. With decades of experience in the automotive sector, FlexLink can deliver CapEx and OpEx optimized solutions, such as clean and dry room, as well as module and pack solutions, that ensure every project meets the highest standards, delivering outstanding quality, high OEE, and rapid ROI from day one. From components to complete turnkey systems, our modular solutions have been implemented worldwide with proven success. We always prioritize total cost of ownership, ensuring long-term and sustainable value for every customer. What sets FlexLink apart is our ability to handle sophisticated global projects, designing, delivering, and installing seamless across countries while optimizing costs. Scalability is one of the most important factors in the automotive and energy storage industry. With a high degree of standardization and 3 manufacturing sites in the US, Europe and Malaysia, FlexLink ensures consistent quality and global support as you expand your operations. We implemented 15 production lines across 3 continents at the same time, all with outstanding results. FlexLink solutions enable OEMs and tier suppliers in the automotive industry to achieve their key success factors, delivering clean and efficient production for battery, cell and module assembly. With a proven reputation of reliability and innovation, FlexLink empowers manufacturers to stay ahead, whether you are scaling fast, streamlining processes, or driving future trends. Are you ready to take your automotive or energy storage system to the next level? Start exploring our range.